Bhishm Mori from RoboFunLab Porbandar. My project name is Get Into Gears. Gears are applied to change speed and change direction of the speed. I have made 3 models of gears. This is same gears because drive gear is same and driven gear is also same. So speed will be same. In this model, drive gear is small and driven gear is big, so speed will be slow. In this model, drive gear is big and driven gear is small, so speed will be fast. I have made this model from Lego EV3 Lego Mindstorms EV3 kit. I have used one EV3 brake and 2 large motors and gear mechanism. I have kept the gear mechanism of small to big because in ramp we should use a small to big gear combination. So Rajendra wanted to shift load to their mountain house, so I have helped them. So let's see how it works.